evening. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Grade 5 Computer Science. Today we will talk about our next topic, that is alignment. Text alignment is the manner in which text is placed between the margin on a page. ठीक है, there are 4 types of text alignment: text left, text right, center and justify. First of all, we will discuss about aligned left. It aligns text from the left to the right edges. As shown in the figure, it's align the text from left to the right edges. A few Word document open with the aligned left option selected by default. It's a default alignment setting. Type the text as shown in the figure below. The text is left aligned. How to align the text left side? There is some procedure or steps to follow that align your text into the left side. How to align your text? I will tell you. First of all, you have to select the text you want to be aligned left. You have to select this text as you shown in the figure. There is some text written in the text box. It's in your Word document. Click on the align left button in the paragraph group of the Home tab. Look at the picture. You will see the icon available on the Home tab to align your text left. Now, there is an easy method. You have to press the Ctrl+L. The selected text will be aligned. As shown in the figure, it's in text that is left aligned. Now we have moved towards to the next alignment, that is right alignment. Look at the picture. There is a difference between the left align and the right align. What does it mean, right align? It aligns the text from the right to the left. When there is an align right, the text starts from right to left, and when there is an left alignment, the text starts from left to the right. How to apply the right aligned text? Because left aligned text is selected by default setting, and right aligned text is not set default. It has to be applied by follow the following method. How? Select the text. First of all, you have to select your text. Click on the align right button in the paragraph group of the Home tab, or press Ctrl+R. Ctrl+R, you have to press the Ctrl+R for the right alignment and Ctrl+L for the left alignment. Your selected text will be aligned right. As shown in the figure, your second text is aligned right and your first text is aligned left. Hopefully you will learn how to apply the align left or align right text.